In this Python Turtle graphics tutorial, we will learn how to use the delay function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, I created an empty window. Let's draw a hexagon using a for loop. I move the turtle object forward 100 units. Then I turn it 60 degrees to the left. I drew a hexagon. In some cases we may want to slow down or stop the program. To stop the program, we use the sleep function as before. We pause the program at any point we want. But we may want to slow down the program instead of stopping it. To do this, we send a value in milliseconds to the delay function. But first, let's run this function with a print command to find the default delay value of the program. The default delay value is 10. So what is the difference between slowing down and stopping the program? Now let's set the delay value to 100. I think you understand the difference. The program does not stop, we just slowed it down. Let's speed up the program a little more. Let's set the delay value to the same value as the default. In this video, we learned how to use the delay function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.